Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to block someone in Facebook. So, first of all guys, I will need you to go ahead and open your Facebook application on your phone, mobile, iPad, whatever device you have your Facebook in it, or even your PC. After that, for example, PC, let's go ahead and open our Facebook and then log into your account. Here guys, let's go to a random person. For example, let's go to here and let's search for, let's see, our friends list or something like that, so recommended people. And here, for example, let's go to one of these guys and let me just block this Jinx main. So in order for us to block it, all you need to do is go to his account and go here to the 3 points and then block. After that, you will have this list. So Jinx will no longer be able to see your posts, your timeline, tag you, invite you to event or groups, message you, and add you as friend. So here, click on confirm. And after that happened, blocks her profile specific and apply the video that this block won't apply to Jinx means other profile. So this will only appear to this account. So confirm. And now, as you can see, this is the block end. So as you can see now, I've blocked him. So now if I try to search for him, I will not be able to find him. And the same goes for him. If you wanted to like unblock him, you can just go to settings, privacy, and then I think settings. Then we will go to block. So privacy, I think somewhere in here. Let me just check real quick. Not here. I think somewhere in other place. Give feedback. No, it is here. Check out privacy settings, activity log. Let's check this one as well. So here we will find archive trust. So I think it will be somewhere in here. So privacy, how people can find, contact you, get requests. And we can't actually find these people, I think. It's actually somewhere in here. So here we go. Oh my god, I'm so blind, guys. Sorry. So yeah, here's the blocking list. So all you need to do is go here, block the user, and then you can edit it from here. If there's any blocked user you want to add them, you can go here and add them. If there is anyone you want to block, you can just go here and unblock from this list. So yeah, guys, that was it to today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and thank you for watching.